Everyone, I am Pragya and I on behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society would like to welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiatives. And here I will be discussing about new and innovative techniques for the different lessons from our chapters, and in a short way we will learn how to make the whole process of learning fun and interesting for the kids. Today, the chapter that I will be covering is A Happy Child. It's from the UP Board Class 1, Chapter 5, and the name of the innovative idea that I will be using today is known as theme based attendance. So, what is theme based attendance and how is it different from normal attendance? It's normally seen in all the schools that the attendance is the only duration which is considered as the most unproductive period throughout the whole class. So, with the help of this innovative idea, theme based attendance, we are trying to convert even that period into a learning period. So, how do we do that? Let's see. During this process, the students, instead of saying present sir, present ma'am, what they will do, they will have to say a certain word from the theme selected for the day. The concepts that we will be covering with the help of this innovation is adjectives, nouns, and sentence framing. For this, we instruct the students in the following manner. We inform the students that today, when we are going to take attendance from you, instead of saying present sir, present ma'am, you will have to write a sentence by using adjectives and nouns on the board and circle the nouns and adjectives in that sentence. This activity will be conducted in a roll number wise manner. Also, a very important point to note here is that before implementing this idea, we should have already completed the building, reading, and explaining part of the chapter. We will be using this innovation only as a means of revising the concept. The duration for the implementation of this idea is based on the assumption that the pupil to teacher ratio is constant at 30 is to 1, and it takes around 10 to 15 minutes, but it can also vary as per your requirement, as the number of students can vary from school to school. So let's start. We instruct the students when we say the roll number 1, the roll number 1 will stand and will write a sentence using adjectives and nouns, and she will circle the nouns and adjectives in that sentence. For example, roll number 1, Pankaj, will say mangoes are very delicious. He is going to write this on the board, and after that he will circle the noun mangoes and adjective delicious. Roll number 2, Sneha. She will write on the board, children are playing an interesting game. And after that, she will circle the noun children and adjective interesting. And this activity will continue in this manner until all the students get one chance. And the educator can conclude this activity in this manner, that the students have learned to frame the sentences using adjectives and nouns through attendance. Okay, and yes, when we implement this idea, we will be getting a lot of benefits that you will get to know once you will implement this in your classrooms. Okay, and it is normally noticed that the attendance during attendance, the children, they are very talkative, they talk a lot, but when we start using this innovation, they will become polite and more respectful towards each other. They will be afraid that if they cannot say a word, what will happen to them. It will also help in developing their critical thinking and decision making skills. Okay, so the learning outcomes that can be achieved through this idea are: the students will be able to respond to simple instructions, announcements in English made in class or school. They will be able to infer the meaning of unfamiliar words and they will be able to use nouns and adjectives in speech and writing. This activity ensures active participation of students inside the classroom, which is a key aspect of peer learning approach as discussed in NCF 2005. Okay, the benefits of using this innovative idea for children with special needs are they will learn to choose the words from the chapter and frame sentences. They will it will also increase the patience level of children with ADHD and autism, as they will have to wait for their turn. Now that is all for today. Hope you liked the video, and if you do like it, do not forget to give a thumbs up, and if you are new to our channel, do subscribe it and click on the bell icon to get all the notifications for our future upcoming videos. You can also like our Facebook page Sri Aurobindo Society ZIIEI, and do not forget to download the Innovative Pathshala app from Google Play Store. Thank you so much.